Now let's give it a try to the Panich. Look at that. Bangkok, loud, busy, chaotic. But in the middle of it, there's this temple, and then just a few streets away, the most legendary beef soup you will ever try. I never knew that penis could taste this good. So before that, we are going to visit Wat That Thong. It's a funeral home, also a training school for the monks, and there are 2 or 3 schools inside the campus. So we are going to visit that place first, and then we are going to eat. Right in the heart of Ekkamai, surrounded by malls and traffic. But step inside, and it feels like a different world. It's peaceful, quiet, and then just outside, Bangkok hits you again like a wave. Don't miss to visit this part at the back. I mean, so many Buddha statues. We met some monks and they asked us to enter this hall of statues, lots of Buddha statues and kings and other statues that we don't recognize. But it's a very peaceful place, such a beauty. Some prayers going on right now. The place is so quiet, so peaceful. So there is a spot right across the street. So we have got the beef soup, stewed beef from last around 40 to 50 years, and we have got a beef balls. And here's we got the bull penis soup. So let's give it a try. Let's try the soup first. This is so good. Wow. Amazing, amazing. Such a flavorful taste. I mean, yes, obviously this has been boiling for 50 years. I mean, look at that. I mean, this is what it tastes like from something that boils for or stews for 50 years. So let's taste the meat. It melts in your mouth. You don't even need to bite. It just passes down your throat so easily. Let's give it a try to this piece of a big chunk of meat. Oh. Amazing. This is so good. Let's add some fish sauce, some pepper, some chili vinegar. You know, the soup is salty, savory, and a little bit of sweetness to it. So I have added some pepper, some fish oil, and some chili vinegar to give it a extra taste. Yes, now this is good. This is better. Oh. Now let's try the beef ball. Oh. Wow. This is good. Very good taste to it. The meat, the beef is well cooked. I mean, the balls are good. I mean, we got lettuces, herbs. I mean, a perfect taste, perfect blend of taste. Anything that has been boiling for 50 to 60 years or 40 to 50 years. I don't know exactly the time, but it is more than 40 years. Obviously, it will taste this good. You cannot miss this place when you come to Bangkok. Now let's give it a try. Bull Panich soup. Wow, the soup is quite thick. We got chilies, we got fresh herbs, coriander or parsley, and look at those. Yes, this looks like Panich. So let's give it a taste. Wow, this is good. The taste of ginger, some herbs, and obviously they have their own kitchen secret. Now let's give it a try to the Panich. Look at that. It has a different kind of consistency to it. I mean, the texture is quite different, and obviously it is not exactly like normal meat. It has a taste or the texture like tendon, well cooked tendon. I never knew that penis could taste this good. I think these are some mushrooms. Added flavor. So those were amazing soups, It's already evening and we'll be going to our place. Do like and subscribe if you have not already. I would like to hear from you, so please do comment. And when in Bangkok, you should give this dish a try. I'll share the link of the location. And it's in Ekkamai. You can take the BTS SkyTrain and reach here. And really, you should never miss this place. It's so amazing. The soups are amazing. 40 to 50 years old soup, stewing all together for all these years. You can get the taste, the entire taste that has been stewing in one bowl. Amazing. Thank you. See you in the next video.